Every bird, every tree, every flower reminds me of what a blessing and privilege it is just to be alive. I work as often as I want, and yet I am free as a bird. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams dies, life is a broken wing, bird that cannot fly. I would learn from one bird how to sing than teach 10,000 stars how not to dance. Be as a bird perched on a frail branch that she feels bending beneath her. Still, she wings away all the same, knowing she has wings. In order to see bird, it is necessary to become a part of the silence. Everyone like birds. What wild creature is more accessible to our eyes and ears, as close to us and everyone in the world, as universal as a bird? No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivations. The reason birds can fly and we can't is simply that they have perfect faith. What to have faith is to have wings.